people, what's popping? So I got a little package here that I want to show you guys what I got. I already know what's in the package, so yeah, so let's go. So if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to Bear Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on today's video. I just want to show you guys some items that I got from a local, you know, person who sells this type of stuff. So first of all, I got my nail stand. First of all, I'm a little bit hype about these. Why should I get a nail stand with it? Oh shit! Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who gon' talk to me? Who gon' check me? I'm obsessed. Ooh, I'm so excited. So I finally got my butterflies. These weren't the ones that I originally wanted, but she ran out. So I'm still excited about the butterflies. This is one sheet of them. So yeah, they're cute. These are called the autumn set. And then I got some of that, some other stickers. Obviously I can't say the word right now. So yeah. And I think this is a sheet also. So you know I'll be trying to use all of these stuff. And I got more stickers. This is girl power. Girl power. And one sheet also, and it gives you instructions on how to use it. So yeah, and I also got some cuticle oil. Let me go in and smell this. This is pineapple. Yes, I don't know how to operate these fancy stuff. Oh, it does smell like pineapple. So this is the jar. So it comes in under this. And it's a little spinning thing, so you can spin and wipe around your nails. So fancy. And then other things are some foils. I think there's a whole bunch of foils in these. So let's see. This is instructions. So there's a whole bunch of them. So these are there. This is 3. These are the autumn set. Cute. These are, so we get, so these are the rest of them. So we get 7. They're so cute. Can't wait to use those. And the last thing that I got a, what do I call this? Like a plate where you can put your polishes, your gel polishes, anything that you're designing, which I'm really excited about because I really wanted one of these. So yeah, I'm really excited about this purchase right here. Okay, so now they're on, so I'm going to put some, you know, scratches on the nails. So now we'll be going in with the pretty pink on each of these nails, giving it 2 nice thick coats. When I'm through with the first application, I will then cure that for 60 seconds and then go in with the second coat of this pretty pink. So if you guys want to smooth the application around the cuticle areas, I recommend you polish in the opposite direction. So now I'm going in with 090 from the Beautiful Collection, creating the tip of the French nail. So now I'll be going with some orange pigment, taking that at the tip of the nail, umbering that out, ensuring that I get a nice smooth transition, and I'll repeat this on each of these nails. This far, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below, follow me on my social medias, which is Instagram and TikTok. And if you want to be up to date with me, follow me on my TikTok, because I tend to post more recent videos over there. So after I'm done putting the pigment at the tip of the nails, I'll then take my top coat and go over each of these nails. But I just remembered that there were pigments at the tip of the nail, so I'll take the top coat and apply the top coat over the pigment area, and then I'll use another top coat at the top of these nails. Really excited about adding the butterflies to the nails. I didn't know which butterfly I wanted to add. It was not all about this. It was pure excitement because this was actually my very first time working with the butterfly nails, so I didn't know what size would go here, so it was a bunch of excitement. So you'll see me observing, looking at which butterflies I want to go on these nails. So yeah, I had so much fun doing these nails. After I'm through with applying each of these butterflies to the nails, I will then take my top coat once again and go over these nails with a generous amount of top coat. So I didn't want to apply the butterfly stickers on the entire nail, so I decided to switch it up and put some rocks on the thumb, which turned out pretty amazing. So the large rock that you see in the middle is a butterfly, which was perfect for this nail, so it had an oomph of something. So I really enjoyed this set, and if you guys do, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram. Those are my social medias at Bare Beauty Services. And if you want to be more updated with me, you can follow me on TikTok, where I post very recent content. And thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.